How do I set up my account manager in a way where the client card is on file for ad spend instead of mine? First of all, you never ever use your own card for spending on client accounts. The client set up the account, the client puts the bank details or the card details for payment. Google will charge the card or the bank. And then all you do is you set up an MCC, which is My Client Center. Just go to Google and say Google Ads MCC. You will create a separate account and then you link the client account to your MCC and do not get involved with ad spend unless it is a very big account and you get purchase orders and you got signed agreements and so on. But you don't want to get into that problem. What if the client doesn't pay you? Google is going to come after you.